Hey guys, I'm Chef Marco Niccoli. I wanted to give you an up-close look at the brand new nitro blending system from Blendtec. These are the components that are made up of the system. You have the stand, you have the rings to fit all of your different cups, and you have the two different blending systems. So the traditional Blendtec blending system and then the new foaming system. The best part about the new system is the lack of waste in product because you use your very own cup from your restaurant. We're gonna use the ring that fits our cup perfectly. You put your cup inside, put it in the stand, pick your attachment, seal it tight, airtight seal, put it in your blender, and in 10 seconds you're gonna have a perfectly blended smoothie. It's perfect, guys.